Today I will be changing my 2019 Freightliner 122 SD fuel filters. There is two filters. Might wanna pry it off with something. It's kind of hard to get. It will get messy, so just a heads up. When you are changing your filters, you might want to also change this gasket. The kit should also come with this. All right. Now, when we're placing our filter back in, as you see this small opening right down there, our filter has a small little section that fits in that spot, so try to get that in or else it won't really work. Alright, now this should be torqued to around 55.5 Newton meters, but since I don't have a torque wrench, I am going to hand tighten it, which is not recommended. It is plastic, so watch out, it can crack. Now our other filter is right behind it. We're also going to change this. Now our filter kit also comes with another O-ring that you're supposed to put around the other little, fuel filter cap. This should also be torqued, but like I said, since I don't have a torque wrench, I will be hand tightening. So keep an eye out on how much pressure you apply. After you complete this, I recommend spraying down with brake clean just to clean stuff up. Get all the fuel off of the parts, components. down. Doesn't really matter. Okay, next step before we start our truck, we have to pump this little screw right here. It's like a piston, like this. Usually they recommend like 40-50 pumps. Okay, that should be enough. Now, if you have trouble starting the truck up, I recommend the pumping again. Now we have to start our truck up. You might have a little trouble at first. I'll tell you what to do. The truck fires up. I recommend pressing down on the gas pedal to keep the truck running at a higher RPM. That'll usually help out. Do that for maybe a couple minutes. In this situation, I would recommend pumping this little piece again another 40-50 times. And just screw it back on. And now try again. And that is it. That's how you change the fuel filter on a Freightliner 122 SD dump truck.